is training. It's the way trams work.
Yeah.
So it's come in training. So now, actually got a hook there. Look at the other way now. See there's a metal loop right at the very end. That's what you're going to get up. We'll get there eventually. Okay, pull it down and off the wire. That's it. Now a big wide circle round here. It's got to be wide because it's a rigid hole. You want it to stop? Stop. Okay. Good. So everybody knows there's a tram moving. Right hand on here, put it on slightly, kick it out, keep hold of it though, unwind it, and with your left hand, go into one notch. Keep your right hand on there, please. Now back to the off. Just give it one little notch again. Go back to the off. Wind the brake up and then stop the tram. Okay, lock that in, make sure it's locked in before you release it. I don't think it is. So do it again. That's it, got it now. Okay, right, so this is where we stop. Pick up the ratchet out. I think it's out, yeah? No. That's it. Now unwind it. Then with your left hand, one notch. And always keep your right hand on the brake. And a second notch. Doing well so far, isn't he? Yeah. Right, back to the off now then, Bob. Try and keep power off going through points and going through frogs where there's a joint in the overhead wire where one becomes two and there's a joint there. We keep power off. What's this? That's done, right? Okay then. Okay. Ding dong, let's go again. 1 and 2. So I can hear sirens this morning, so I think the fire brigade's down there pumping the water out. A bit late now. Okay, off again please. We take the corners very slowly, and before each one you'll see one of these orange W markers, That means a warning or whistle sign. So whenever you pass one of those, a couple of bells. Don't mean a couple of whiskies. That's it. Okay, just one notch again, just to get us around here, because the track's quite slick at the moment, because it's got a little bit of rain and a bit of dew on it, so it's quite slick. If it stays dry during the day, they will dry out too much, and our trackman will have to come around here with a grease pot and a oil can and lubricate all the points and the curves, just to get everything running nicely, so things don't wear out. Okay, one notch again. If you're interested in bird spotting, keep your eyes out for kingfishers. I saw one just down here on the way down. And 3. Okay, off now, Bob. Yeah, that's a female pheasant. Oh, right. Right, ding dong. 1 notch. This curve is slightly uphill this way, so we have to
Oh, right, yeah. So
gentle bit of
just
power.
a bit of power to it.
Yeah. Okay, second. Third. And fourth. There we are. Top notch. That's probably how that phrase top notch gets its name.
Yeah.
Same as losing your trolley, that's probably
Another one, yeah.
That's our depot. Up there you can see them get the trams out ready for already.
Service,
Yeah. Okay, back to the off now, Bob. We'll just coast a little bit here. Now, as we approach this next curve, you'll see the orange markers on your left on the posts. So if you do a couple of bells as we pass each one, I'll tell you the notches to go into, and don't worry, you won't hit the wall. Okay, 1 notch.
Starts out a little bit.
And 2, and 3, keep it in 3. Morning, Peter. How you doing? Off now, please. Just waiting for a light to come on this pole here, which tells us the trolley's picking up the right wire. And then we brake. Start right by Neil here. Oh no, it's Peter. It's Neil. He was dying to get hold of this.
Of course.
He now knows that there's no trams down there, so he can
there,
proceed. Before he does it, he's going to do the same thing here.
Yeah.
Stick it up the tube to get a white light.
So get a white light to go that way.
So,
See up the track.
yeah. Okay, yeah.
You'll be waiting at the top, will you?
Oh yeah, we'll be stopping out there for coffee.
Right.
Let's lock that in a second, because some of these trams you won't get the opportunity of seeing anymore. Is it locked in? Yeah, okay. Especially that one there, which is the old London tram, 1904. And again, it would have had a top deck, and it would have been wider, so everything's all been modified. Kick it out, unwind it. That's it, and away we go. Should go. Yep, it wasn't quite in the notch. They don't quite, sometimes don't quite line up.
You can sort of feel it as you move around.
Right, in a second. Here's one of our very small ones. That's over 50 years old. Okay, off now, please. Right, so there's a hell of a lot of water in this morning. On a high tide. This is a really, really high one. Right, we're going under a blue sign. I'll show you one. Which the overhead wire is not all in one single length of wire. It's all in sections. So where there's a break in the section, where there's a break in the wire, there's a blue sign, which means we keep the power off as we go over there. It stops arcing and building up of carbon deposits and stuff like that. Okay, then 1 notch again. And 2. Are you interested in the birds along here?
Oh yes.
Yeah, right, well, I'll let you know what there is as we go along. Right, off now please. We get all our winter birds are back here now. Coming in larger and larger numbers all the time. Just on the left you can see some lapwings.
Oh yeah.
We get hundreds of lapwings here in the winter. I'm hoping, and I should think it's almost a certainty, we're going to see a kingfisher up here in a minute. Okay, 1 notch again. Because a lot of the land on the left is local nature reserve.
Yes.
And you know we've got some bird hides up here, which you'll see. Okay, next notch.
Plenty of rabbits in there.
Yeah, it's been a good year for rabbits. Little egret over on the right, the white bird there, look. Right, off now, please. That's what I'm doing. Little bird watching supposed to. It's not normally as much water as this, so it's
No, it's very
most of it's along by the promenade. Yeah, there's a little white bird here, look. I'm surprised that's still here. This little bird here. Him. It's a wheat here. They're only here during the summer. They go back down to Africa or something.
This is quite late.
Yeah, I should have thought we would have gone back.
By now,
Yeah, a little bird on there, look. A wheat here. They're only here for the summer, and I'm surprised it's still here. Actually,
Yeah,
it just shows you
it's so warm.
how the weather's mild. Yeah.
Yeah.
The kids in there 'cause it's half term.
Yeah.
Okay, one notch again. There's a kingfisher just here on the wall. Look. There we are.
Oh, yes!
Probably that's what they were watching.
You probably
Just get it off now.
I think they're all going to go like all going
There it
shushes
is.
as we
Look,
go by.
look, on the railings, there it goes.
Yeah.
Follow it along. Lovely, lovely birds.
Yeah.
Okay, next notch. Now it's going to come up on these. It's going to come up on the fence again, I should think.
Yeah.
Off now, look. Have a good look at it again here. People don't realise how tiny they are. You know?
No,
They-
no.
And you say to them, you can be going straight past. Say, look, there's one there.
Yeah.
And they go,
Where?
Expect to see something the size of a heron.
Yeah.
Okay, one notch again. 2, 3. There it is again. Okay, we're coming up to our first of our passing loops. We've got them every half a mile.
Yeah.
We give them names. This is Axmouth Loop, named after the
Yeah.
village, right? You put a little bit of brake on because it's standard practice Seaton Tramway. You're going up at a walking speed. Just slow it down a bit. That's okay. Unwind it now, let it roll in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a visual check behind me.
Yeah.
You notice that drivers often sort of lean out and look
Yeah,
behind.
look, yeah.
What they're doing is checking to make sure that the trolley follows them
Follows
on the
the-
right wire.
yeah.
There he is again, look. Just going up on one of that post up
Yeah.
there. You're very lucky, you know. You don't often get a view like this for kingfisher.
No.
Okay, one notch again. And 2. There he is. Move off again. Okay, back to the off now then, Bob, please.
Right. I'll start with points.
Yeah, so we keep power off, going through points,
Yeah.
going through frog, wait for the back end to come through it as well. So you've got quite a long
Yeah.
tram behind you, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, we're through now, so it's 1 notch, 2, 3, I think it's 3 now, isn't it?
Yeah.
3.
It's up to 3.
5, 4. Whoops, gone more past it. Okay, off now then, please. Another bell sign here. If you notice just beyond it, there's another one of these blue signs,
Oh, yeah,
shapes or something.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
That's what-
so that means there's another break in the overhead section, overhead wire. So we keep the power off here.
Yeah.
As we go underneath this one, you'll get a little blip on the,
yeah.
you'll hear it, blip. That's it, hear it?
Yeah. That tells you pass it.
Yeah, that feels good for it.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 notch again. 2. 3.
Yeah, it's all well.
Okay, off now. Just coming up to a couple of old signal posts, look, from the
Oh, yeah.
railway
that
days.
one,
And we put the arms on ourselves.
Yeah,
They don't actually
yeah.
mean anything. They're laid out of sections of old rail, actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was a standard gauge railway when it was
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
A single track, just standard gauge.
Yeah. Just single track.
Okay, and the bridge we're coming up to here over this little stream is called Bobsworth Bridge. Now, when the tram first opened in 1970, the first fare-paying passengers only went as far as this bridge and back to the depot for a fare of 1 shilling.
Yeah.
And 1 shilling was a bob.
Bob, then,
yeah.
yeah.
Bobsworth Bridge.
Yeah.
Okay then, 1 notch again. 2. 3. 4. Off now, please. Just coast up on the next loop. These fields are usually pretty boggy.
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
never
There
with water
was.
like this.
No, I've never seen.
Okay, so we want to get down to a walking speed to go into the loop. So just slow it down on the brake. When you get to the speed, unwind the brake and coast in. That's it. Track is drying out quite quickly.
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Just do 1 quick notch now. Off. That's it. So if you're going too slow, you just want
Yeah,
one
skip it,
notch
yeah.
to get in. If you're
Yeah.
going too fast, a little bit of brake just to slow you down. Okay, again, trolley's okay, so we can go forward again 1 notch. And 2.